minensyon lang naman doon. ICC. Inamin ko naman eh. Wala naman akong tinatago eh. I don't wanna lie about those things.
But now, sir, yung mga personalities na nabanggit doon sa affidavit, nagsampa na po sila ng reklamo against Attorney Baligot and the 18 Marines. Kayo ba, sir, meron din ba kayong doon?
Hindi. Sa akin, totoo yun eh. Kaya lang, yung 18 present sa labas ng bahay ko, it wasn't true. It's not true. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, kung wala sila yung 18 doon sa labas ng bahay namin, anong sinasabi nila na lahat sila alam nila? Eh, alam ko nun, tatlo lang yung nakabantay rin sa mga ICC ron.
Sir, yung mga photos attached doon sa affidavit, would that suffice? Yung mga maleta daw, di umano na may
Hindi ko alam eh. I'm not the one looking at the affidavit. I only read the affidavit because my name was mentioned. But I'm not the one investigating it.
Meanwhile, sir, di ba na-recognize na yung NBI?
Yes, we're asking the NBI to help us get to the bottom of it, and we're getting information one by one.
So ano po magiging proseso nun after NBI?
Yeah, we're validating first the identities.
Okay.
Siyempre, dapat alam natin kung sino-sino itong mga tao to. Kasi the 18 Marines was supposed to be for parang political effect. But not all of them are Marines, or not all of them are in the active service, and many of them were dishonorably discharged. Alam na namin yun as far as we're concerned now. Na marami ron discharged, and there's many of them even have had murder cases.
Ilan sa kanila, sir?
I think 6 of them.
So yung sa 18, walang masasabi kumbaga legit or...
Hindi ko alam. I cannot... Sa sinasabi ko lang, may mga findings kami.
Ano yung motivation ng mga grupo mo?
Tipping point. They're trying to create a political tipping point. What more? Alam na natin yun, di ba? They want a branch of the service to rise up in arms. Yun naman yun eh. They're creating a tipping point.
Sir, para po kay
For a local party or a state party?
Local yan. I think we know who's behind it, but we have to prove it, so we're not alleging anything now.
Sir, yung statement niyo po kanina, sir, saying na hindi po compromise yung impartiality ng ombudsman.
Hindi. I'm not personally looking into that. I'm allowing the people in the Ombudsman's office to look at it for themselves. Pare-pareho kami abogado. We just studied the same principles. That an affidavit is supposed to be based on personal knowledge.
Sir, yung Senator Llanes, nakikita daw niya na Duterte daw possible yung behind it.
Hindi, marami pa kami ibang personalities sa
So
tilting.
did you see it as a political?
Political yan. Siyempre, political yan. And some of them have economic motives. At mahirap magsalita ngayon.
Ano yung economic?
Mahirap na magsalita.
Sir, ano assurance
Okay.
mo, sir? Ano
Ha?
assurance mo?
Basta fair kami. We're here to be fair. Di ba? Kaya nga, kung ako hindi fair, aaminin ko ba yung ICC? Hindi. Yung sabi ko, totoo yun. Pero walang 18 tao ron sa labas ng bahay ko.
Sir, in the meeting kasama ba?
Nakita ko naman sila nung umalis eh. Oh.
Sir, sa meeting kasama ba si Senator Llanes?
I cannot recall now
Because he
if Toria was there or Trillanes was there. But we've met in that house before. Nakakausap ko sila doon. But I remember the 2 ICC people who were there. Naalala ko sila.
Sir, ang flood control, sir, kahapon po si Yusek Bernardo nasa ombudsman. Ano po yung naging activity?
Hindi, ano yun, we're looking at the statements and we're looking at the case build-up, and we want to know certain facts. We have to ascertain facts from the witnesses. So, that's about it.
What about
It's being
Eric?
dated as a witness
What
right now.
about Eric and Edith Yap, sir? Meron na pa tayo...
Ongoing na yung preliminary investigation. It's probably going to be submitted for resolution very soon.
Kasi meron na
Or PI na yun eh. PI na yun. Marami ongoing PI ngayon. There are a lot of cases are ongoing preliminary investigation. Okay?
Yung huli kasi, medyo matagal na rin, yung reveal niya.
Ano talaga yan? We really have to, alam mo yan, we have to shore up the facts. We have to build the case. Because when we file the cases, we want a continuous trial. We want to present the government's evidence immediately. Kaya we build up natin lahat yan. Okay, thank you.